Hi everyone, today my girls and I are going to show you these magnetic toy construction sets that we got. We got 2 sets in the mail and each bag contains 42 pieces. These are designed to help children's science, engineering, math, and creativity skills to be improved. They are made with bright colors to draw children's attention and their interest, and the pieces are also made big to help with grasping, so it's easier to grasp the toys. You guys can hold them. And also, they're made bigger so that it prevents choking, so parents can have peace of mind while their little ones are playing with these magnetic construction toy sets. These toys can help develop hand and eye coordination very well, help develop fine motor skills, make them more fine-tuned. Kids' creativity will be built because they can create all kinds of different models. The possibilities are endless. They can use their imagination. And it also does come with a pamphlet to help them with ideas if they want ideas on what to make. These magnetic construction toy sets would be a perfect gift for Christmas or birthdays for the younger children in your lives. They would love it and they would have a blast building all different kinds of models. You could build a house, a dog, a cat. The list goes on and on. So we're going to go ahead and build some construction models.